Let's talk about Miranda rights and what it sounds like when you're being read them. Hi, my name is Carl Birkhead. I'm an attorney in Wirth Law Office in Tulsa, Oklahoma. I've been practicing family and criminal law for almost 10 years now, and I want to help you make law easy by just talking a little bit about what it sounds like when you're actually being advised of your Miranda rights. I think we all kind of know what these Miranda rights are. You are under arrest. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to an attorney. If you cannot afford an attorney, one will be provided for you. If you've watched any sort of police or legal TV show at all in your life, you've heard that at least once. That's the long and short of what your Miranda rights are. Now, that doesn't mean that that's exactly what the cops are going to say every time. Here's what you need to be listening for. Were you advised that you have the right to remain silent? Were you advised that anything that you say from that point forward can and will be used against you? Were you advised that you have the right to have an attorney present at all points during the questioning between you and law enforcement? If the answer is yes to those questions, then you were advised of your Miranda rights. If the answer is no, then anything that you've said that might be used against you in your criminal case could possibly be thrown out if you weren't properly advised of your rights. This is why a lot of times law enforcement, they won't just read you their rights. They'll actually have you sign off on a little card or a piece of paper acknowledging that you've been advised of your rights and that you are choosing to proceed and speak to the cops in spite of those rights. Which, here's a spoiler alert, don't do that. Just don't do that. But that's what you need to be looking for. You need to be listening for, have you been told that you can stay quiet? Have you been told that what you say is going to be used against you? Have you been told that you have the right to have an attorney? Either in writing, or if you're presented some sort of piece of paper after you've been arrested, make sure that you go over it before you sign it. Because if you go over it and you sign it and then you start talking, then you've waived those rights, and whatever you said is going to be thrown back at you. If you have questions about this, or maybe you're in a situation where you were arrested and now you're wondering, hey, was I ever actually Mirandized? Give me a call. I'm more than happy to talk with you about it. This is something that comes up very often, and it's very important to make sure that your rights have been properly advised of and that they're properly protected, so that way you aren't left in a bad situation. My name is Carl Birkhead. I'm an attorney with Wirth Law Office, and I want to help you make law easy. Thank you.